Hey guys, Eric here. So a few months ago I made some videos on a $400 PC that I built for my brother, and after that video I've had some decent feedback saying I should do some more PC builds. So in today's video I'm going to show you a parts list of a computer that I would build if I had around $1,200. Our first component, which you're going to really be seeing the most of, is the case. We're going to use a Coolmaster HAF 912 ATX mid-tower computer case. This case offers a lot of room. You can put in tons of hard drives. You can add extra cooling if you want to overclock your stuff, add tons of graphic cards. It'll just have enough space for everything. This case should cost you around 60 bucks. But moving on to what's going to be inside this case, the motherboard, we're going to have an Asus ATX motherboard, the Asus Z87 Pro. For about 200 bucks, this motherboard has a decent amount of features. It has USB 3, HDMI, it also has VGA and DVI if you really want to use those. It also has mini display ports, it has Wi-Fi built in so you don't need to get a wireless adapter. It has 8 channels for audio, Bluetooth 4.0, and you can also support up to 32 gigabytes of RAM. Now when it comes to the CPU, for around 220 bucks, we'll get a quad-core Intel i5 4670K. Like I said, the CPU is quad-core, it's clocked at 3.4 GHz, and has 6 megabytes of cache, and overall this CPU should do a great job, especially when it comes to gaming, and even like video editing, and of course casual stuff. It's just gonna be a great CPU all around. Though with that said, if you actually are planning to use this computer to do a lot of video editing and graphic work, you might want to consider picking up like an i7 or something, but that's your choice. Moving on to the graphic card, we'll be using an NVIDIA eGVA GTX 760. This will be the overclocked edition with 2 gigabytes of video RAM. When it comes to performance, this card should really be able to do anything you throw at it. When it comes to video editing, graphic design work, it should do great at. When it comes to gaming, you can really expect to game at 1080p resolution on very high settings with just about any game. And I'm sure there's some games you can play even higher settings and even higher resolutions. Overall, for around 260 bucks, this card's gonna be amazing and a great addition to the build. Moving to the power supply, we're gonna get a 750 watt Corsair power supply, which will be perfectly fine for our build. Moving on again now to storage, we're gonna actually have 2 hard drives. We can have an SSD and a regular hard drive. Now the SSD is going to have 120 gigabytes, and that's going to have all your main files, your programs, your operating system on it, and then we're going to have another hard drive that's 1 terabyte. The 120 gigabyte SSD is going to be by Samsung, and it's going to cost you around 100 bucks. Then our second hard drive, the 1 terabyte hard drive, is going to be a Caviar Blue by Western Digital, and that's going to cost you around 60 to 70 bucks. The combination of the hard drive and the SSD should get you enough speed and also enough storage, but if you still need more storage, you can also get more hard drives. You can upgrade the hard drive. Instead of having a 1 terabyte, you can get like a 2 terabyte or a 3 terabyte. Or if you want to, you can even spend more money and get a larger SSD. And now moving to our last component, we're going to get 2 sticks of 8 gigabytes of Corsair Vengeance RAM. I've used this RAM before, and for 150 bucks, it's well worth it. It's very fast and reliable, and I have nothing to complain about it. So guys, that's the entire build, and the total damage is $1,137. Of course, in US currency. If you have the money, this computer is going to be great for gaming, video editing, and really anything you throw at it. Now, in case anyone is actually confused, I am not building this computer. This is just what I would do if I had that money, but I don't have that money, so that's not happening. But anyway guys, that's the video for today. Please leave all your comments down below. Any questions about this computer, please let me know. Also, do you want to see more videos like this? Do you want to see more custom built PCs? Just let me know in the comment section below. Anyway though guys, like this video, subscribe, share with your friends. Anyway though guys, my name is Eric, and I'm signing out.